Organics again. Welcome to my channel. Thank you people for clicking to my channel. Yeah, today I have another effective and good natural medicine for those who are suffering from and those lack of ovulation. Yeah, to make your ovulation to flow like a 20-year-old baby. It's fertility class for women. It's another fertility booster because we have so many fertility boosters. You can use different methods to boost your fertility, but this one is really effective. That's why I've decided to do a video on it, so that those suffering from ovulation, this is your treatment. So thank you people so much for watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Madam Ruth of Organics. So today I have a very good and effective natural medicines from those suffering from lack of ovulation. Yeah, so but before we begin, make sure you like my page, subscribe to it, share it to others. Yes, thank you people so much. I know that you are my faithful subscribers. Thank you people for subscribing. So I'll teach you people today how to boost your ovulation so that it will become like a 20-year-old girl ovulation, like how a 20-year-old girl ovulates. Yes, there are so many ovulation boosters, but this one is the best. This one is very effective. So follow this video till the end. Welcome back. So as I said, the remedy we have today is to boost your ovulation so you ovulate like a 20-year-old baby. You know, ovulation is that's the cause of most infertility issues, is lack of ovulation. Some women, they are fertile all round, but because of ovulation, their ovulation is not like coming out well. It makes them not to get pregnant. So and ovulation is the principal, that's the main thing for pregnancy. If you don't ovulate, you can't get pregnant. That's just the simple truth. So you need to boost your ovulation, especially if you have passed the age of 30. If you have passed the age of 30, you must use extra methods, especially these our natural methods like this, to boost your ovulation so you ovulate well and you get pregnant fast and safe. So just follow me as I'm going to present the items that we are going to use today. First is ginger, then we have garlics, and we have country onion. I don't know how maybe in other countries people might call it, but with us in Cameroon we call it country onion. This is it. So these ones are the fresh ginger, the fresh garlic, and the country onion is always in dry form. So you can use either the fresh or the dry. That's why I brought all of them. This is dried ginger, this is dried garlics, and this is country onions that has been ground. So this is the fresh ones and the dry ones. And then this is 1 glass of water. I've forgotten one item, honey. We also need honey in the preparation. Yes. Then we use now 1 glass of water. It's not too difficult. It's just you just take your half teaspoon. This is a spoonful, but we are going to use the half teaspoon of all the items. You take half teaspoon of ginger. Tablespoon of all these 4 items: ginger, garlics, country onions, and honey. Those are the 4 items. You mix them together inside a glass. This 1 glass of water. You can use warm water. It's even preferable to use warm water. Mix inside 1 glass of warm water. Just mix all the items together inside the glass of warm water. And your preparation is ready. This is just all of it. So when are you going to take this treatment? Immediately after your menses. you have 5 days or those who have a 4 days menstrual cycle, as you finish menstruating today, the next day you just prepare the mixture. In the morning as you get up, that's the first thing that you have to drink. You drink 1 glass of it. The next day, tomorrow, that's the next day, you still prepare another one you take. The next day you still prepare another one you take. It's for 3 days. It's just 3 days treatment. You do it like that continuously 3 days, and that's all. Just wait and see how you ovulate. Your ovulation will come out very, very, very well, more than how it used to be before. So do this one to boost your ovulation. It's very good ovulation booster for those who are trying pregnancy, for those who want to get pregnant. So that's the remedy that I have for you people today. Thank you people so much for watching. Make sure you prepare it, make sure you do it. I know that a baby is what everybody is all, both men and women, they are looking for babies. So if you are a woman and you boost your ovulation, yeah, there are so many ovulation boosters as I said earlier, but this one is the best. Just try this one, you'll see how you ovulate. Thank you so much. Thank you people for watching. Let me still insist again, my people, like my page, share my page, subscribe, encourage people to subscribe, because I have good things for you people. I have skin treatment, I have natural mixes, DIY that you can do it at home. So always subscribe to my page, always come and view my videos. I hope you have turned on your notification bell, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified and you just watch and look and watch it. Thank you people for watching.